Hi, welcome to Whispr.coach, where we make every conversation better. Let me walk you through adding your first contact and relationship, and then we'll start a Zoom call. It's that easy. We go into clients and I don't have any. I'm going to add my first contact. I'm going to put in the phone number if you're going to be making phone calls. Makes it easier. Put in the relationship. This is my client, but you've got lots of different options for that. And put in some context. If it's a client, put in goals. Put in something that you want the AI to know about this person. It'll help with the coaching. Create, and now we go to make a live call. I'm going to start with a Zoom call, Zoom meeting, and I'd hit configure. I've already got my Zoom meeting URL in here. It'll save that for you. And you can often leave the role alone and leave the skill alone. For me, it's usually going to be coach and coaching, but you could change this to be a therapist, a salesperson, a human, for personal leader. If you want, you can play around with the skill if you want, but generally you can leave those two alone. Select your contact. It's not technically required for a digital meeting, but Whispr.coach can track that person over time. So I'll hit start Zoom. It will open the Zoom meeting in another window, and then Whispr.coach will join you in that meeting, and you can have your client join you there too, or your contact. Then come back to this window, and this is where you'll see the magic unfold below. And about every 8 turns, you'll get a coaching prompt, which you can ignore or take its advice. It's that easy. When you're done with the call, you'll click the end call button, and then Whispr.coach will generate a report. It'll be telling you what happened, and you can copy and paste this and send it to your client. If you want a summary, it'll also give you a report on how well you did and what you could try for next time. You'll then be able to see your transcripts in the transcripts window, where you can go back and review the call later and see what the coaching was. Really great training tool to use after the fact. Now, what if you want to do a phone call, which is coming soon? Very similar. I select phone call. I can leave the role and the skill alone if I want. I make sure I've selected my contact, critical because you need the phone number. And then when I hit start call, Whispr.coach will call me first. I pick it up and it says connecting to contact. And it connects, calls them, and bridges the call. And then you see the magic unfold below. That's Whispr.coach. Enjoy, and please send all feedback, all bug reports, all rave reviews or feature requests to david@focus.ceo. Cheers.